Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Sales Pop-Up Notification widget. The Sales Pop-Up Notification widget is a powerful tool designed to enhance your store's credibility by showing real-time purchase updates. This widget displays recent sales made by other customers, creating a sense of urgency for new visitors. By showcasing ongoing activity, it gives the impression of a busy, thriving store, encouraging shoppers to make a purchase before they miss out. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Sales Pop-Up Notification widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Sales Pop-Up Notification. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Professional widget. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Sales Pop-Up Notification. Here, you can customize all settings. Heading. This is used for internal identification. We recommend leaving it as is to avoid display issues. Example: Sales Pop-Up Notification. Template style. Controls the shape and edge style of your pop-up notification design. Square. Displays sharp, even corners for a clean look for store's default. Radius edge. Adds slightly rounded corners for a softer appearance. Round. Makes the pop-up notification fully rounded for a modern, smooth look. Rounded left, square right. Rounds only the left corners while keeping the right side square for a unique layout style. Template position, desktop. Defines where the pop-up notification appears on desktop screens. Bottom left. Positions the pop-up notification at the bottom left corner. Bottom center. Places it at the center of the bottom edge. Bottom right. Positions it at the bottom right corner. Top left. Displays it at the top left corner. Top center. Centers it along the top edge. Top right. Positions it at the top right corner. Template position. Mobile. Determines the pop-up notification placement on mobile devices. Bottom. Displays the pop-up notification at the bottom of the screen. Top. Displays the pop-up notification at the top of the screen. Image shape. Choose how your product image is displayed. Square. Displays the image with equal width and height for a balanced look. Circle. Crops the image into a perfect circular shape. Portrait. Displays a vertically rectangular image for tall visuals. Landscape. Displays a horizontally rectangular image for wide visuals. Product image edge radius. Adjust the roundness of the image corners. Maximum is 100 pixels. Product image width. Set the width of the product image for desktop view. Maximum 200 pixels. Product image height. Set the height of the product image for desktop view. Maximum 200 pixels. Home page. Displays the notification on the home page. Product page. Displays the notification on product page. Collection page. Displays the notification on collection page. Enable notification sound. Plays a sound whenever a pop-up notification appears, enhancing user attention. Display notification in queue for multiple purchases occur simultaneously. Shows notifications one after another when multiple purchases occur at the same time. Delay time between two notifications. Sets the time gap between two pop-up notifications. Maximum limit is 30 seconds. Display time on screen. Determines how long each pop-up notification remains visible. Maximum limit is 10 seconds. Show product star rating. displays the product's star rating inside the pop-up notification for added credibility. Show button for detail adds a View Details button to the pop-up, allowing customers to explore the product directly. Button text detail lets you set the label for the pop-up button. Example, See Detail appears on the button that directs users to the product page. Text defines the main message shown in the pop-up notification. Example, Customer from City bought automatically replaces customer and city with random names and locations. Customer names add a list of sample customer names that will appear dynamically in the pop-up. Example, Edward, Anna, Christina, James, Michael, Robert, John, David, William, Richard. City names add a list of city names to display randomly in the pop-up notifications. Example, California, Illinois, New York, Seattle, Chicago, Austin, Denver, San Francisco, Boston, Portland. Products select the specific products you want to display in your sale pop-up notifications. This helps you control which product details appear in each notification. Time displays how recently the purchase occurred in the pop-up notification. Example, 1 minute ago. Show low stock bar. To enable this option, displays a low stock bar indicating limited product availability, encouraging customers to purchase before it sells out. Motivational text for low stock displays a motivational message showing remaining stock to create urgency. Example, only stock items left. Stock bar color sets the color of the filled stock bar that visually represents available product quantity. Stock bar background color sets the background color of the stock bar to contrast the filled portion for clear visibility. Threshold quantity sets the maximum stock limit, up to 30. If product quantity exceeds this, the inventory bar hides or shows general text. Show badge. Enable this to display a badge on the pop-up. Badge text. Customize the text displayed on the badge. Example, sale. Badge icon. Choose an icon style for the badge. Example, shield, to match your store's theme. Badge icon upload. Upload your own custom badge icon to match your store's unique branding or design style. Close icon. Customize the pop-up's close button. For example, use text like close and your own icon. Color schemes. Match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. And that's it. Your sales pop-up notification widget is now set up. By customizing it, you'll keep shoppers engaged, boost conversions, and create a lively, trustworthy shopping experience in your store. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.